In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add hashtag on your YouTube videos so that whenever anyone clicks on them, they'll be able to see them here. And also these hashtags will be available in description. You can see they are down here. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, hashtags are very important when it comes to making your content visible, and adding them in your description is one of the best things you can do. To do this, first go to your YouTube studio, and here I'm on my YouTube studio, and then go to content to find the video that you want to add your hashtags. For my case, I want to add to an existing video, and the first video, which is this, so I'll click on it. Now if I click on it, you can see this video doesn't have hashtags under its descriptions. Now to add hashtags on this video, just head over to the last sentence and then click enter and leave some space, and then go ahead and paste in your hashtags, or just write your hashtags by combining words while inserting the hashtag at the beginning of each combined words. Once you're done, now click on save and your hashtags will have been added. Now if I go ahead and now open this video, so I'll click on it and let's give it time to open. Here is our video. Great. So let me scroll down. Now you can see the hashtags are now available, the ones that we have just added. And if I click on more, you can see the hashtags are also just down here, just like we intended. So that's how you can add hashtags on your YouTube videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.